Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the QUMatix trading bot application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button, and now you can type in QUMatix to begin your search. Once you find the application, you can tap on it, and you will be taken into the page where you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the QUMatix automated trading bot application. You may tap on the auto open toggle, which will automatically open up the application once the installation is done, or you can tap on open as well. This will then open up the application, and now you can tap on the next button to scroll through the guide. After this, you will be taken into the registration page from which you can sign up to your new account or log into your existing one. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the QUMatix trading bot application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.